Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold once again. Thanks for tuning in. Hope the videos are helping your designing process. If they are, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Tap on that notification bell for further content. Leave me a like, and please take 5 seconds to drop a comment down below. Really help my algorithm out. Need the help. Help a brother out. And also, if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, you can do so by down in here, right underneath here somewhere. There's a super thanks button. You can tap on that and buy me a cup of coffee. We have a question in our Facebook group, right? Trying to create I'm assuming a NURB surface. Otherwise, why would you merge them together, right? But it's leaving an open curve, and I can explain that. It's fairly simple. And actually, the first time I did it, I probably was like shocked like you were. Why did it do this? But let's go ahead and get going on this. So I'm going to grab a ring rail and then select that, and then grab a profile. And I'm going to change that to where I know that it's going to give me unwanted surface for what I guess I'm trying to do. And basically what I mean by that is it has a kink right here, it has a kink right here, right? So it's going to create a poly surface, although if I take it and I go to here to the bottom in my command line, type in what, it says that it's a NURBS curve. Usually NURBS curves will give you NURBS surfaces, but in this case it will not, because there's a kink there and a kink there. And I don't know why exactly it's telling me it's a NURBS surface, because, or a NURBS curve, because I can explode it. And you're not supposed to be able to explode NURBS curves. But anyway, that's what it's doing to me. So let's go ahead and do what I'm assuming you did, is go ahead and do an auto sweep. And then you got your surface, and then you checked it, what it was. It's a poly surface. You want a NURBS surface. So you went in there and let's give it some shading. Let's go to our surface. Let's go to edit tools, and you merge those surfaces together, right? So select a pair of surfaces to merge, and for some reason it's not letting me select any. Huh. Oh, I got to explode it first. Yeah, explode it. All right, now I'll go to merge. I'm just right clicking down here to bring up my recent commands. Merge surf here, and it merged that one, and here, and it merged that one. But it has an open surface, right? But I can turn on points. So I guess that's where you're at there, right? The way to check that, find out where it's at, is go in here, analyze, edge tools, show edge, make sure naked edges is clicked, and it says right there at that seam it's not. And you can't click here and click there to merge those surfaces, right? But anyway, when you do that, it's going to break history. Whenever you merge surfaces or edit points, it will break history. So let's go back and get rid of all this. I'll show you how to fix that. So we'll go back to our tools. We'll grab a profile here, and we'll grab that same one so that we know that it's going to create a poly surface, right? But it's not this time, because what we're going to do is we're not going to activate auto sweep. We're just going to go ahead and accept that. And now we'll select that curve, and we'll go to our curves menu, and we'll do a fillet parametric. So we'll click there, and it'll give you a little handle out here. You don't want it a 1 or whatever degree you want that fillet to be, but we'll just take it down to a 0.1, right? You could take it down to a 0.05 if you wanted to, I guess, 2.05, and hit enter. So now that's a 0.05, and just take it, right? Now when you do that sweep 1 from here, oh, not there, sorry. Right click, bring it back, select rail here, select profile here, and then right click, and it'll give us our surface. We'll right click, accept that, and we'll take it. We'll go down here and check it. What? Now it's a NURB surface, and it is a closed surface, so you're ready to go. But once you turn on those points to start editing it, you're going to break history. Right now, since we did not touch anything, we just did the sweep, we have total parametric history on it. So if I change it to size 10, it'll update. But once I take it and say I select, I don't know, this curve here, or this point here, this point here, surface point, type in SELU, and then edit those. Broke history, right? So now it's not updatable. If I go over here to my ring rail now and I select it and take it up to a size 16, you can see my curved, nothing's going to update. So in order to create the surface, I guess, that's a NURB surface enclosed, yeah, you just have to. I'm not sure why you want the NURB surface, but I guess that you have a reason. Uh, so just go ahead and fillet that curve, and make sure you're picking the curve that's fillet, not the one, not going back to your profile placer and editing this one and using it, right? You want to use your curve that you filleted parametric fillet, right? So hopefully that answers your question. I'll just do it one more time just for sake of understanding. So we'll go to our tools, grab that profile, switch the profile, something that's going to create a poly surface, right? We'll accept it. We'll take it, go to curve, fillet, and we'll just take it down to 0.1 or 0.05, or maybe even you could type in, if you really wanted it small, 0.01, and then hit enter. So now it has a fillet of 0.01. Just accept that. Go ahead to your surface, sweep one, select your rail, select your profile, hit enter, take it and take a look at it. What NURB surface, even at a 0.01, right? It's a NURB surface, and it is closed. So hopefully that answers your question. I hope. If not, give me some more information. I'll try to help you out. All right. Thanks for watching. Good designing, and talk to you next time.